Hello and welcome, this is Ali Nasser. In this video I will demonstrate how to fix problem of no material found in your bill of material table. Let's try to show this problem. If I going to this column and select column property, I couldn't find the material. How to solve this simple question? Just open your original part like this, right click on drawing and open your part, apply your material, and then go to file, properties, select material, and then material value. Now everything is okay. Just click OK and return to your drawing. Let's try now. Right click or just left click, column property, and now you have found material. It's very simple problem. Now we have fixed it. I hope this video is useful for you. My regards, Ali Nasser.